Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Mardi Gras party decorations is probably one of the most exciting and vibrant ways to bring the spirit of New Orleans right into your home, transforming any space into a dazzling celebration filled with purple, green, and gold. Imagine your guests' delight as they step into a room adorned with shimmering beads, festive masks, and colorful banners, all designed to capture the infectious energy and joy of this unique festival, making your party an unforgettable experience that echoes the grandeur of the actual Mardi Gras parades and festivities. Number 5. PartyWoo Dark Purple Balloons. Introducing our 50-piece set of 12-inch dark purple balloons. Their solid, vibrant color is perfect for adding a lively touch to any celebration. Crafted from high-quality, thick latex, these balloons stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last throughout your event. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or with helium for a 3 to 6 hour float. For best results, fill with helium just before your party begins. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, excessive heat, or sharp objects. Simply control the inflation to achieve your desired size for a perfect party look. These versatile balloons are ideal for birthdays, baby showers, graduations, weddings, and more. Make your special event unforgettable with their beautiful royal purple hue. What we like. These balloons offer a solid, consistent color for vibrant energy. They are made from thick, durable latex, ensuring they stay full longer, perfect for arches and garlands. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting balloon option to create stunning party decor for any event, these are a great choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and festive, perfect for a Mardi Gras theme. The decorations were easy to set up and created a great atmosphere for the party. Good quality materials that held up well throughout the event. Number 4. For ease, Novelty Mardi Gras masks. Step into the vibrant spirit of Mardi Gras with our stunning collection of masks. Perfect for adults, these masks add an unforgettable touch to any celebration. Each mask is adorned with beautiful feathers, bringing elegance and flair to your party outfit. They are designed to make you stand out in any crowd. Elevate your masquerade experience with these eye-catching accessories. They are the perfect way to complete your festive look and embrace the mystery. Whether it's a Mardi Gras parade or a themed party, these masks are versatile additions. They are designed for both men and women, ensuring a great fit. Don't just attend the party, be a part of the spectacle. These masks are the ultimate accessory to ensure your festive attire is complete and captivating. What we like. These masks feature eye-catching feather designs, perfect for adult masquerade events. They add a touch of elegance and mystery to any costume. If you are attending a masquerade ball or a themed party and want to make a statement with a sophisticated accessory, these masks are ideal. What people say. This set includes 100 pieces of Mardi Gras beads in 4 assorted colors, purple, green, and gold. The beads are 33 inches long and 12 millimeters in diameter, making them a good size for party favors or decorations. They are perfect for Mardi Gras parties, parades, or any festive occasion. Number 3. MGparty Mardi Gras Accessory Set. Get ready to celebrate with the ultimate Mardi Gras accessory kit. It's packed with everything you need to make your festivities unforgettable. This set includes dazzling sequin masks, colorful bead necklaces, shiny coins, and fun temporary tattoos. You'll be the center of attention at any event. Whether you're hitting the parade route or hosting a party, these accessories are designed to add a touch of sparkle. They're perfect for both lively celebrations and masquerade events. Embrace the spirit with classic green, gold, and purple designs. The intricate patterns on the coins add an extra layer of festive charm, creating a strong Mardi Gras atmosphere. Crafted from high-quality, safe materials, these decorations are built to last. They are fade-resistant, durable, and can be enjoyed year after year. These festive supplies are suitable for everyone, from kids to adults. They make fantastic decorations, costume additions, and thoughtful gifts for your loved ones. What we like. This set provides a comprehensive collection of Mardi Gras essentials, including masks, beads, coins, and tattoos. The sequin masks are particularly vibrant, ensuring you stand out. If you need a convenient all-in-one solution for a lively Mardi Gras celebration, parade, or party, this kit offers great value and festive flair. What people say. The colors are vibrant and festive, perfect for a Mardi Gras theme. The decorations were easy to set up and created a great atmosphere. Good quality materials that held up well throughout the party. Number 2. Bedwina Bulk Mardi Gras Masks. Step into a world of enchantment with our bulk Mardi Gras masks. Perfect for any masquerade or costume party, they add a touch of intrigue to your celebration. Whether you're looking for yourself, your kids, or a group, we have you covered. These masks are designed for men, women, and children, ensuring everyone can join the fun. Embrace the festive spirit of Mardi Gras with these eye-catching masks. They are the perfect accessory to bring color and excitement to your party decorations. Choose from convenient packs of 12, 50, or 300 to suit your needs. Our masks offer great value and are ready to transform your next event. Don't let your costume be ordinary. These masks are the ideal way to complete any party outfit and make a memorable impression. From lively carnivals to intimate parties, these masks are a must-have. They are versatile and designed to add a unique flair to any festive occasion. What we like. These masks are available in bulk quantities with options for different sizes, making them suitable for everyone. They offer a cost-effective way to equip a large group for a Mardi Gras event. If you are organizing a large party, school event, or community gathering and need to provide masks for many people without breaking the bank, this bulk option is perfect. What people say. The colors are vibrant and festive, perfect for a Mardi Gras theme. The decorations were easy to set up and created a great atmosphere for the party. Good quality materials that held up well throughout the event. Number 1. Decor 365 Mardi Gras Party Decorations Kit. Get everything you need for a vibrant Mardi Gras celebration with this all-inclusive decoration kit. It's designed to bring the festive spirit right to your party. Crafted from high-quality tissue paper and glitter cardstock, these decorations are built to last. They offer a beautiful, metallic shine without any flaking glitter. Setting up is a breeze. The paper fans and honeycomb balls come flat and easily open for hanging. You can even customize the garland length to fit your space perfectly. The color palette is perfectly matched for Mardi Gras, creating an ideal atmosphere for your party. Add a special touch to your home or event with these well-made decorations. You can trust the quality of these decorations. Made with sturdy card paper and double-sided stars, they are designed to impress and last throughout your celebration. This package includes 3 paper fans, 2 pom-poms, 2 honeycomb balls, and 2 dot garlands, providing ample decor for any festive occasion. What we like. This decoration kit features glittery elements and comes with easy-to-assemble paper fans and pom-poms. The color scheme is perfectly matched for Mardi Gras themes. If you want to quickly and easily add a festive, sparkling touch to your home or party space with a coordinated Mardi Gras look, this kit is a convenient and stylish option. What people say. The colors are vibrant and festive, perfect for a Mardi Gras theme. The decorations are made of durable material and held up well throughout the party. Easy to assemble and hang, saving time and effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.